AMMK chief TTV Dinakaran, Sashikala's nephew, continues to maintain his suspense over whether there's any talk of joining hands with the AIADMK. He's told India Today that he cannot answer on reports about his party joining the AIADMK alliance. He's also again reiterated that our aim is to defeat the DMK. He calls BJP batting for Sashikala as rumours. And this was particularly on the question that was asked by India Today to him on whether he is going to be joining hands with the AIADMK. As far as the speculation on an alliance with the DMDK, the Congress, is concerned, he's maintained that the details of that alliance will be out in 2 to 3 days. Here's that exclusive conversation.
BJP wants TTV Dinakaran and Sashikala to be a part of AIADMK alliance.
I think that it's only a rumor. Nobody approached us.
Are you happy about this rumor?
No, I'm not happy.
You don't want to merge with AIADMK to fight this election because...
It's only a rumor now. Why should I think about it? I'm already forming an alliance. We are very serious in forming an alliance, and surely we will defeat DMK. That's our only aim at the present days.
So what is going to be a strong point of this alliance, and what are you going to tell the people for this election?
We want to give, people knows that AMK will give the real Amma's government Tamil Nadu. For that we will work hard, and people will support us. Surely we will form the Amma's government.
This question arises because on 24th of February, when Madam Sashikala spoke, she said that DMK is a common enemy, and she also said that Amma government should win again. She did not mention about AIADMK at all. So what is the plot behind it?
No, she told all the cadres of Amma. You can mean it your own way, but I don't mean it like that. She is giving appeal to the cadres of Amma. She never mentioned any party. So I feel that it's only she is giving appeal to the cadres of Amma.
There is also a strong indication, but not a rumor, stating that AMMK might join hands with Congress, DMDK and MNM. Is that so?
It's also a rumor only, no speculation only. Within 2-3 days you will come to know.
Right, sir. Thank you.
So that's the exclusive conversation with TTV Dinakaran, playing his cards close to his chest, refusing to really divulge details of what really is the game plan of the AMMK. But what's also interesting to note here is that at no point does he lash out at EPS, OPS. At no point does he criticize the AIADMK, only maintaining that talks are underway and they'll see what kind of an alliance comes forward. But as far as the BJP really pushing for an alliance with Sashikala is concerned, TTV Dinakaran has said that these are mere rumors and that he cannot respond to reports that are doing the rounds. When asked particularly about whether there is an option of the AMMK joining hands with the AIADMK, he's been talking time and again about a third front, and TTV Dinakaran seems to be indicating that in the next 2 to 3 days we'll get answers about exactly what his and what his aunt Sashikala's game plan is all about. Whether the AMMK is looking for a merger with the AIADMK or whether they're now planning alliances with other parties or set to contest elections on their own. All of this, even as we're hearing that the BJP is putting pressure on the AIADMK to ensure that there is some understanding, some truth with TTV Dinakaran and VK Sashikala. So this is the exclusive conversation that we've had with TTV Dinakaran hours after the information trickled in of the BJP wanting the AMMK, wanting Sashikala back within the AIADMK, one form or another. But as far as TTV Dinakaran is concerned, he's maintaining at this point that he's not going to divulge any details about what his strategy is and whether they are looking at joining hands with the AIADMK. What's common, however, is that in the last 1 to 2 weeks, both Sashikala and TTV Dinakaran have only been maintaining that the common enemy is the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, which is what has led to a lot of speculation that Sashikala and TTV Dinakaran are going soft here to ensure that the space is set up, that the atmosphere is in fact set up for any sort of alliance if it were to happen, if the AIADMK is on board. So it definitely looks like while there is hesitancy on the part of AIADMK and while there is pressure on them from their own allies, TTV Dinakaran and Sashikala are open to the same. Let's